94.2 The Edge and USU Students Association presents Sounds in the Sun, a free festival featuring some of New Zealand's biggest acts, including P-Money, Catch a Fire, Cora, Holly Smith, and the Recluse Live Band. Have fun in the sun listening to sweet sounds at the biggest orientation event in the country. Best of all, Sounds in the Sun is free for everyone. So check it out at the Unitech Rugby Fields, 139 Carrington Road, Mount Albert, Thursday, February 26th.
We're down here at Unitech for the Sounds in the Sun concert. P-Money's not one finished the set, but make sure you get down here quickly so that you can catch Holly Smith, Cora, Catch Fire, and the Recluse Live Band all playing live for you for free.
Go everywhere I know, hang out or hit the floor, 'cause it's one thing for sure, I'm feeling you.
You don't have to be so cool, you don't even have to be such a fool, trying to be the man like every day, when you're just a D-I-C-K, thinking everybody wanna hang with you, when nobody even wants to stand by you.
Tell me, brother, can you not hold hatred? Can you take pride?
Said I've got a much love for you, darling, and I'm still gonna roll with the rhythm. Well, I hope you understand, girl. Hope you understand just where I'm heading. Hope I'll be forgiven. Said I didn't mean to be the villain, yeah. Well, you better hold my hand, girl, 'cause this is exactly how I'm feeling. The rhythm is
Do you guys want to hear Cora?
One day when I get my act right, I would choose to let go. Someday when I get my facts right, I would choose to let you know. Come play when I get my tracks tight, jump into the next floor. Some say I should get my stats right, I would choose not to show.